Hello, I'm Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations. I'm not in the craft room today because there's just not enough space to show you this. So this is my Fill Your Own Advent Calendar, but this has been revised because there's a little addition that's been added. So let me open this one up for you. So this is a Fill Your Own Advent Calendar. This is something you can get out every year and fill with wonderful gifts. What I wanted as well was an advent calendar where the treat box sizes were a good substantial size, so you can put lovely gifts in them. The thing about it is you can choose. I've got my doors opening up, you can have them opening down. I'm going to show you another one that's like that, but this is what you are going to get. To make this, you are just going to need obviously my online workshop with all your PDF and cutting files, as well as the step-by-step video tutorials. You are going to need some 12x12 cardstock. You're going to need about 21 sheets for this project if you're making this. And the thing about it is, if you want to do a two-tone colour, you can indeed. You're just going to use 10 sheets of one, 11 of the other. I will leave a link to the online workshop below. Here is another one just here that I'm just showing you. But you can see how good size they are. They're a fabulous size. So with my online workshop, you're going to get your PDFs, your step-by-step videos to create your Fill Your Own Advent Calendars. But now, the revised version, you're also going to get a bonus. So I'm just going to slide these to one side so I can share with you the bonus. And the bonus being, yes, it's a calendar, but you can use it as a gift box all year round. So if I just open up this one, I've created this one as a little pamper gift box. So it's got a nice little set of ladies' pyjamas in here. And if I just undo here, this little box takes a small bottle of wine. Okay, it doesn't take a little bottle of Prosecco because they're wider, and it can't be any wider because of the width of the box frame itself. So a little bottle of wine it will happily take. But then, you know, you've got two extra boxes here that you could add little chocolate treats in here. You know, you could add candles. You could add some little bath bombs. You know, the choice is yours. So it turns it into a gift. So the bonus project with this is you're going to get all the cutting and scoring and PDF for your treat boxes. And also I'm going to give you the step-by-step videos to go with these as well. And I'm going to also share with you a little video of how you can create a single version. So if you didn't want to do a double and you wanted to do a single version, you could do again. I'll put a bow on this one, but actually in this one I've added some hot chocolate. And then we've got, open this one up. It's hard to do it back to front. Some little chocolates for your hot chocolate. And then again, your marshmallows. So this is it. You can make something really special just by gifting it in a special way. And then you could also make it into a lovely keepsake. You know, how lovely to do a welcome baby. One of my design team heads did this for me with a lovely little shawl all in there ready to go. But this is where you're going to create these to use all year round. The boxes again can be used on their own as little gift boxes. Okay, you've got a good size here. You've got the wine box. I've given you a lovely square which is 4x4 by 1 3/4. You've got a rectangular one which is 4x3.5 by 1 3/4. So you can just use them as little gift boxes all year round, and that is your bonus project that I'm giving you for free with your Dawn's Inspirations Fill Your Own Advent Calendar. I'll leave the links below so you can join the workshop. Join me, I'll be in the craft room with you and we can make these together.